Hello, and welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Have you ever woken up and, even before you've had your breakfast, felt drained just by looking at the state of your home of dirty dishes piled in the sink, a sofa covered with clutter, clothes scattered across the floor? All you really wanted was a fresh start to the day, but instead, it feels like yesterday's mess is still hanging over you. The good news is, this doesn't have to be your reality anymore. You can make a change, and the best part is, you don't have to sacrifice your evenings, stay up late, or feel trapped by endless cleaning. There are small but powerful habits that, when practiced at night, will prepare your home to welcome you back the next morning with a sense of calm and order. Imagine waking up to a house that feels organized, with a clear starting point for your day. This simple shift can make all the difference in how you approach the hours ahead. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick, easy steps you can take every night that won't leave you feeling exhausted, yet will help you wake up to a neat and peaceful environment. These actions are designed to fit seamlessly into your routine, and there's even one step that takes less than 3 minutes, but it makes an incredible difference in how cluttered or calm your home feels. Stick with me until the end, and you'll see how making a few changes at night can help you start your mornings on a positive note, with more energy, clarity, and peace of mind. Because, as you'll soon learn, waking up well actually starts the night before. There are days when we wake up and it seems like we're already late to tidy up what was left over from the previous day. Even before coffee, the mind is already spinning. There are dishes, there are clothes, there is a mess in the room, there are things scattered around, and the day hasn't even started. Then comes that weight, that feeling that the house is never at peace. And deep down, all you wanted was to get out of bed and feel the house light, welcoming, ready to welcome you on a new day. The truth is that keeping your house in order doesn't have to be tiring, and it's not about doing 1,000 things before bed. It's about creating small nighttime habits that prepare the environment for the next day of light. Quick, possible ritual that completely changes the feeling of being out of control early on. Organized women have routines that work. They all have something in common. They look after the night as the beginning of the next day. And that changes everything. Because when you sleep with your house in minimal order, you wake up with more clarity, more lightness, and more energy to face whatever comes your way. In this video, I will show you what to do every night to wake up with your house in order, Evan. If the day has been busy, even if you are tired, even if not, everything is perfect. These are simple but strategic steps that will help you transform your routine and your relationship with the space where you live. Oh, and pay attention to the fourth tip because it is the key change. It's the detail that makes your morning start lighter, even when the rest isn't 100% yet. So, come with me, because yes, it is possible to wake up with your house in order and go to sleep with the feeling that everything is under control. Tip 1. Take care of the kitchen sink. It's where the mess starts or ends. It may sound cliche, but it's not. Clean the kitchen sink. The kitchen sink sets the mood for your morning. If you wake up and find dirty dishes, a forgotten pan, stacked glasses, the feeling of disorder starts there. Even if the rest of the house is okay, the messy kitchen affects everything. It's as if the day has already started taking its toll on you. Women who maintain a functional home know that the night ends at the sink, and not because they have more energy, but because they know the impact it has. And here's the secret. You don't need to leave everything impeccable. You just need to get it under control. If you don't have time to wash everything, rinse, organize, separate the cutlery, stack the dishes, take out the trash, wipe the countertop with a damp cloth, clean the sponge, and that's it. In 5-10 minutes, you can completely change the look of the kitchen. And this is enough to wake up the next day and feel that the environment is light and there's more. Keeping the sink clean at night keeps it clean throughout the day. We tend to keep what is already in order. It starts with a cup, then a plate, and the next thing you know, the mess is back. But if you sleep with the sink under control, the morning flows. Coffee is made more calmly. The routine starts at a better pace. This isn't about aesthetics, it's about clarity. A clean kitchen early in the morning conveys organization, structure, and even more disposition. And this all starts the night before. So, before going to sleep, look at the sink with this look. How can I make this easier for myself tomorrow? It may be a small thing, but the impact is big. Tip 2. Take a quick look around the room. Sort out what the day messed up. The living room is the visual heart of the home. Even if you spend more time in the kitchen or bedroom, it's the living room that catches your eye first. And if you wake up and see a fallen pillow, a blanket balled up on the sofa, a dropped remote control, a toy on the floor, a shoe in the corner, it seems like the day is already starting off. But a little action at night can change all that. Women who keep the house running well know this. The room doesn't need to be spotless. It just needs to be aligned. This means that before going to sleep, they spend 2 minutes there just to give that last tidy. They line up the cushions, fold the sofa blanket, put the remote in place, and pick up whatever is out of the way. It's a finishing touch, a care for the space that, when done lightly, transforms the environment effortlessly. It's not cleaning, it just gives shape. Your brain receives a silent message to what the day messed up. And the most interesting thing is that when you wake up and look at the tidy room, your brain receives a silent message. Everything is under control. You can start calmly. This takes the weight off the morning. You don't need to start the day by tidying up what's left over from yesterday. And for those who have children, pets, or a busy routine, this is even more valuable because it doesn't matter if the day was chaotic. This small nocturnal act reorganizes the environment and conveys lightness. The room doesn't need to be ready for a decoration magazine, but when you take care of it before bed, she welcomes you early. And that, in a world where everything is busy, is already a form of self-care. Tip 3. Organize the entrance to the house. Prepare your starting point. Have you ever woken up and, when it was time to go out, you couldn't find your key or the bag was in the wrong place, the shoes not where they should be, the coat you needed thrown on the sofa? The morning rush is often not a lack of time, it's a lack of preparation. And that's where one of the simplest organization secrets comes in, taking care of the entrance to the house at night. Organized women understand that the next day begins when you prepare the exit point. Whether it's a corner with a basket, a shelf, or even a hook on the wall, the important thing is to have a defined place where the essential things for leaving the house are kept. Key, bag, wallet, document, mask, medicine, umbrella. And before going to sleep, they do the following. They leave what they will need the next day already separated. The bag ready, the son's backpack packed, the work items in the same place. This avoids a lot of "where's it?" in the morning. And the best part, this nightly ritual brings an immediate feeling of security. When you know everything is prepared, you sleep better and wake up lighter. There's no need to rush out or solve a problem early. And the house, even if it's not 100% tidy, already collaborates with you. This preparation can take 2 minutes, but say 15 the next day. And most importantly, it gives you back control, because the feeling of disorganization often doesn't come from the entire house, but from a detail that wasn't resolved when it was time to leave. So, every night before going to sleep, look at the entrance to the house and ask yourself, what can I get ready now to make my tomorrow easier? This small attitude completely changes your routine. Tip 4. Turn off the house with intention and create your own good night. Have you ever noticed how, in hotels, the environment is prepared for rest lower lights, silence in the hallway, bed made straight, curtains closed? The house literally slows down. Now think, what if you started doing this in your home every day? Not out of obligation, but as a gesture of care for yourself. Organized women have this silent habit. They turn off the house. They don't just turn off the light. They end the day with small, mindful actions. They calmly close the curtain. They take that last step through the space. They only turn off the lights that they need. They check that everything is in place. And in doing so, they are telling their body and mind, now it's time to rest. This moment doesn't have to last long. It could be just 5 minutes, but it has enormous power. Because when you end the day with presence, you don't carry chaos to your pillow. You close and leave the environment ready to welcome you again the next day. Want to make this moment even more special? Spray a mild scent into the room. Leave an indirect light on. Fold the blanket with care. Close the bathroom door. Turn off the kitchen light knowing that the sink is in order. This set of small rituals transforms your relationship with home and with rest. Conclusion. When you rest in an environment that has been intentionally prepared for peace, you wake up feeling better, more grounded, and calm. Your home stops being a source of stress and becomes a partner in creating a positive start to your day. Organization is about rhythm, and every truly organized home has a sense of closure not as a strict rule, but as an act of care. After all, at the end of the day, your home deserves to rest in peace too. As you've seen, waking up to a tidy home isn't about doing everything perfectly or staying up late to organize every little detail. It's about creating a simple, light nighttime routine that sets up your space for a calmer, clearer, and less rushed morning. Taking care of the sink, tidying up the living room, organizing the entrance, and finishing the day with intention, these are quick, easy actions that, when done together, build a light foundation for your routine. They prevent clutter from accumulating, reduce mental overload, and make waking up feel much smoother. And here's the best part. You don't need to do it all at once. Pick one habit, try it tonight, notice the difference tomorrow, and little by little, you'll find how these nightly rituals transform your routine without feeling overwhelming. Because a truly organized home isn't about perfection, it's about a home that works with you, supporting your well being, and starting and ending the day with purpose. Now, tell me which of these 4 habits will you try tonight? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you already have a nightly ritual that works well for you, share it too. I'd love to hear your experiences. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom and hit the notification bell. Every week, I share new, practical, and inspiring content to help you keep your home in harmony while taking care of yourself. Remember, the way you end your day sets the tone for how the next one begins.